Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be.
It's 4 hours later and there's barely been progress made, it feels like. I feel like I've done a lot in the past 4 hours, but the way I'm looking at this pile on the floor makes me really think 4 hours, and this is all I've gotten done. Everything's packed. 5 hours later. 5 hours later, everything's packed. And I'm very, 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 very stressed out. I hate to say it, but I think my bag is over 50. My other bags that I would pack for like 14 days, 11 to 14 days would be close to 50. I'm gonna be gone for a week and my bag's almost 50 pounds. Insane. Guys, it's gotta be 50 pounds. I wish I had one of those like weight things, but I don't, unfortunately. But this bag is so heavy. I'm glad I got the packing done, but now I'm gonna have to repack everything because some of this stuff is at my grandparents'. So if this is almost 50 and I still have things to pack, good luck, Charlie. Hey guys, today's Sunday. Today's the first day of the trip. I look so ratchet right now. It's not even funny, but right now me and Dad's gonna go eat at Texas Roadhouse before he has to leave me. Everybody's coming in here from church. Everybody looks nice, and I'm up here looking all ratchet. But it's really cold out today. It's really windy. It's cold out.
That's good.
It's super windy out today. I didn't know it was going to be this one day. I would have brought me a hoodie, but let's go eat. Look at my fans. They're so sweet. Why is there so... Oh, those are cute. Those are cute.
Yeah.
Why is there so many though?
Rachel's hungry.
And why do they have them on? There's so many fans. Okay, so I went into Ulta and I'm gonna show you guys the things I got. I just got a few things. So I got me another one of the Mandelic acid serums. I use this one at night from Good Molecules. Also from Good Molecules, I'm trying this one. I've never tried it before. I usually use their niacinamide serum, but it's a little rough on my skin because I do have sensitive skin. But this one's a 5% compared to the other one, which was a 10%. But this one has ectoine in it, and this one helps with the pores and the texture, but it won't be as rough. And then I got me a small little cleanser because I don't think I brought my cleanser. I don't know, I guess I didn't. And then I got me some more pimple patches, also from Good Molecules. And then the last thing I got is an SPF lip balm. This one's more of a like serum type, not an actual lip balm. But this one's an SPF 30. I've never tried this one, so let's go. BG, ready? Everybody already got their tan. Yay! Yay, we're finally making it on the plane. Aloha! We outside. How we feeling? We in Florida. Guys, a little update. We just landed a few minutes ago. Sorry, it's kind of loud because the plane's over there. But we just landed a few minutes ago in Destin. Super excited. It's 11:15 right now. I'm not sure if the time zone's different than from where I live or not, but it's late. It feels nice out, but it's so humid. Like, it feels like real sticky outside. But right now we're just walking to go get our luggage, and then I think we're gonna go get like a rent car, I think, maybe. Oh, Oh, look at the palm tree.
This is awesome.
Wow. Good morning, guys. It's 10:45, and here's the view outside our window. We got a whole store right next to the Airbnb. That's so cool. But I just woke up not too long ago, and my face is low-key breaking out again. I don't know if it's because the whole state change. Every time I go to a new state, like for vacation or whatever, my face tends to break out a little bit, so just a little bit here and there. But doing my skincare right now. Oh, we made it to the beach. Yeah.
What's going on up there?
You can't sleep. She looks like she's on moisturizing. Sleeping past your alarm. Sleep hearing.
Hey guys, it's day 2. Today's Tuesday. Right now we're making a sandwich because they did not want to take us to breakfast this morning, so.
And so we woke up to it, but that's okay.
Yeah. And then I asked her like a minute ago, I was like, oh, so you guys went to Waffle House? And she's like, yeah. I was like, I've never been there. She's like, maybe if you guys get up early sometime this week, we can actually take you guys. I'm gonna show y'all my sunburn on my back yesterday. It's actually
Ew, that shit stinks.
So I got burned pretty bad yesterday. I was wondering what this white part was right here. It's from these freaking straps, bro. I had to tuck those hose in. But yeah, this is my back. I got burnt like all on my backside yesterday. Because unfortunately some of us just can't keep getting darker every time. Okay, y'all, we're gonna chug this thing. Nasty. She's 21, y'all. Don't worry, don't worry. You drink through the straw? 5 seconds. Okay, ready? Y'all, we're all chugging it. Alright. Ready?
Ready? For how long? 5 seconds?
1, 2, 3. Go.
It's awful. I know, there's really nothing else I can do. Dang, you always about to fall asleep.
We can't even hear it.
Yo, what's going on? We was about to go to sleep because we saw these lines on the wall. Look, you can't even see it on my phone.
What is that though? Because there's nothing right there.
I don't know. It must be those trees. Dang, what's going on?
Stuff like this, stuff right there.
I'm just being nosed that out. Bro, what's up with my camera? It's just so blurry. Y'all, the sunburn is not it. Look at this. I'm trying to cover it up as much as I can, but all I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me. Hurry! Look, you can't even see us. We at the road. We ain't going to no club. No club tonight. We're gonna go get ice cream now.
Oh, so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know.
Hey vlog. Right now we're on the beach. Super early. It's currently 5:33 and the sunrise comes up at 5:47. We've been waiting on the sunrise. We just got here a few minutes ago and it's pretty cold out. Y'all probably can't hear me because of the waves, but it's pretty cold out. The sand is really cold and then here's the water. So hopefully we get some good pictures in, but we may not get any good ones.
I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some four strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you.
Get up and get your shit together. Another double figure.
Dang, I look real red. So we're about to leave the little Airbnb and this is what the car is looking like right now. Actually insane. Of course we had to bring the beer along because some of the people in this car are very bad alcoholics. Shut up! I was hoping wearing the shirt today would make me a little bit make me look a little bit more tan, but it's not doing no justice.
That's who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club. So you just who I was, outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club.
Say hello to the vlog. Hi guys, oh my gosh, that is awful. We are walking to Bubba Gump's for dinner. Here's the little fit I have on a top from American Eagle. The shorts from Hollister. Sandals are from Fashion Nova. Earrings are from Amazon. The sunburn is from the sun. Where's Bonnie's fit from? TJ Boutique. Old Navy. Nice.
Like bigger than that one.
What does it mean, free crab tomorrow? Oh shit. We showed up to breakfast 10 minutes before it ended, and this is all we're left with. Y'all, I'm low-key peeling on my face, low-key. Like, what even is that? And it's only above my eyebrows, which is very strange. And it's only this side, it's not the other one. We're having a chill day today. It's our last full day at Florida, and then tomorrow we leave. I'm in this little like beach hut type thing. It's really nice, and it blocks out all the sun, so I ain't gotta worry about getting sunburned in this little thing. But I'm with the girls, they're just chilling over there. So yeah.
Yeah.
Where we at, beach? How about you? Look at the koi fish.
Mama, you want some more?
Dang guys, look at all that rice you got. Come on.
Here we go. You know that was cool. Then we have some fireworks. It's so pretty. Pretty. Hey-ya. Anybody else like veggies? No carbs?
Got way too much to take back. Dang, all these flowers. And no guy's ever gonna give me any. We're so over this trip. Get the fuck home, bruh. Any flight, I'll pay fucking $2,000. Get me the fuck home. Get me home.
Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing. Trifling. Difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah.
How many times has our flight got delayed today? 4 times our flights got delayed today. We were supposed to be leaving at 5, and now we're leaving at 6 something now. We still got 2 more hours. We still gotta go through security. We just now got checked in after like 5 hours, and it's supposed to be storming the whole way back, y'all. What the fuck, junction, bro?